Gaming has evolved, and so have the devices that power our gameplay. Enter the Nubia Red Magic 8S Pro, one of the most talked about gaming phones of 2024. But is it truly the ultimate gaming beast, or just another overhyped device? Let's dive into the features, pros, and cons to find out. Released in mid-2024, the Nubia Red Magic 8S Pro is the latest in the Red Magic series, designed specifically with gamers in mind. It boasts a host of high-end specs that make it a powerful option in the mobile gaming space. Design and display. Let's start with the display. The Nubia Red Magic 8S Pro features a massive 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. That means smoother animations, quicker responses, and a stunning visual experience whether you're playing the latest games or binge watching your favorite shows. Performance. Performance is key for any gaming device, and the Red Magic 8S Pro doesn't disappoint. It comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and up to 18GB of RAM. Whether you're running graphics-heavy games or multitasking between apps, this phone can handle it all. Cooling system and battery life. To prevent overheating during those marathon gaming sessions, Nubia has packed the 8S Pro with an advanced cooling system. It features a built-in fan, vapor chamber, and liquid cooling tech, ensuring your phone stays cool under pressure. And with a massive 6,000 mAh battery, you can game for hours without worrying about running out of juice. Camera performance. While gaming is the focus, Nubia hasn't skimped on the cameras either. It comes with a 64MP main camera that performs well in good lighting. But don't expect flagship-level photography. This phone is all about gaming. Gaming features. Now, let's get into the gaming-specific features. The Red Magic 8S Pro has shoulder triggers that act like console controllers. These can be customized to enhance your gameplay. It also supports 520Hz touch sampling rate, meaning you get faster response times, perfect for first-person shooters and fast-paced games. Pros and cons. So, what are the pros and cons of the Nubia Red Magic 8S Pro? Pros. Exceptional gaming performance with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Built-in cooling system that keeps the device running smoothly. Long-lasting 6,000 mAh battery for extended playtime. 120Hz AMOLED display for crisp visuals. Customizable shoulder triggers for enhanced gameplay. Cons. Average camera performance compared to flagship phones. The device is bulky and not ideal for everyday use if you prioritize portability. The built-in fan can be noisy during intense gaming sessions. So, is the Nubia Red Magic 8S Pro worth it? If gaming is your top priority, the answer is a resounding yes. With its powerful hardware, smooth display, and dedicated gaming features, it's a must-have for serious gamers. But if you're after a more balanced device for photography or daily use, you might want to consider other options if you found this review helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to Phonova for more phone tips, reviews, and comparisons.